Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an album in Facebook. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article, link provided in the description. Without any delay, let's get started. Open any browser, go to facebook.com, and log in to your Facebook account. Click on your name on the left top of the window, or on the top of window, as showing in the tutorial. Then, you are redirected to your timeline page. Click on Photos. Select Albums, click on Create. Then, a new page will open. Enter the name for your album, and, if you want, you can add a short description. Also, you can add contributors from your friends list. Click on Upload Photos or Videos option. Then, a window will open, select the photos or videos, and click on Open. After the completion of uploading, click on Post. That's it. Your album has been posted. How to delete an album? Go to Photos, and there you will find the album. Click on the three dots of the album that you want to delete, and click on Delete Album. That's it. It is deleted. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article, link provided in the description.